What's up, guys? It's Probably the RC Guy, and I'm back. And on this episode, it's freezing here in New Jersey, and we had the first snowstorm in a long time. So what I figured I would do was bring out my Koyosho Blizzard FR and just do a little adventure video. Now, mind you, there was like a foot of snow, so it was a little difficult. It was like 17 degrees outside, so it was hard to control dual stick with some big, heavy gloves on. But I want to get a little something cool. Most people don't ever get to see these things. They don't make them anymore. To my knowledge, I got the last one in the area because you can't get them. Koyosho doesn't make them anymore, unfortunately, which I'm glad I scooped one. I want to leave it in stock condition, but I'm thinking about doing an upgrade to it now to like a Sabertooth dual ESC, upgraded motors, and switching it to a trigger style. Not sure. Comment down below. Tell me what you think I should do. Leave it stock or switch it up. Either way, I hope you enjoy this video.
Yeah. Now it's on for another blast. Let me know before it's gone, I'ma get my glass. If it rains, then we spending cash. It's all the same when you moving fast. We shut it down and blow it up to make the feeling last. Hope it never pass. A new era for the class. A few rebels trying to see the math. Lean pedal on the gas. Speed level high, gear shifting in the flash. Breathe, smoke and shake the ass. I'm stepping out of my zone, it's getting out of control. I can't find my home, I'm about to get it in. I feel it deep in my bones, the place is about to explode. It's penetrating my soul, I'm feeling right. But is this real life? Is this real life? Is this real life? Yeah, but is this real life? Getting hazy to the break of day. Rub my eyes and see the madness that was yesterday. Where we at, what we doing, how we gonna pay? We living crazy, there ain't nothing that they gonna say. We hit the city, got it busy till we in my gate. Let's keep it litty till we dizzy, I don't wanna stay. Cause this is how we play, we do the such and so. That's the way it go, it's the getaway, the only way we know. I'm stepping out of my zone, it's getting out of control. I can't find my home, I'm about to get it in. I feel it deep in my bones, the place is about to explode. It's penetrating my soul, I'm feeling right.